Cooking chicken might seem straightforward, but did you know that a common mistake could lead to food poisoning? Here's what you need to know to keep your meals safe and your stomach happy. The big mistake: washing raw chicken. Yes, you read that right. Washing raw chicken is a mistake that nearly everyone makes, but it can actually increase the risk of food poisoning. Here's why. Spreading bacteria. When you wash raw chicken, water droplets can splash onto your countertops, utensils, and even other foods. This spreads harmful bacteria like Salmonella and Campylobacter all over your kitchen. False cleanliness. Washing chicken doesn't remove all bacteria. Cooking it to the proper temperature is the only way to ensure it's safe to eat. The safe way to handle chicken: skip the wash. Go straight from the package to the pan. There's no need to rinse raw chicken. Use separate cutting boards. Designate one cutting board for raw meat and another for fruits and vegetables to prevent cross-contamination. Cook to the right temperature. Use a meat thermometer to ensure chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius. This is the surefire way to kill harmful bacteria. Clean up properly. After handling raw chicken, wash your hands, utensils, and any surfaces it touched with hot, soapy water. Extra tips to stay safe. Store chicken correctly. Keep raw chicken in a sealed container on the bottom shelf of your refrigerator to avoid juices dripping onto other foods. Marinate safely. Always marinate chicken in the refrigerator, not on the counter. Discard any leftover marinade that's been in contact with raw chicken, or boil it before using it as a sauce. By following these simple steps, you can significantly reduce your risk of food poisoning and enjoy your chicken dishes with peace of mind. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more kitchen safety tips. Stay safe and happy cooking.